Hey guys, this little device is pretty neat and it's especially helpful for people who might not have Bluetooth connectivity with their vehicle speakers. So if you want Bluetooth connection and play like Spotify from your phone into your car's stereo system, or maybe take and eject a phone call from your car system, this is the right device for you. Now, the way that this works is you plug it into your cigarette port of your vehicle, and from there you can change the radio station, like an unused radio station. This emits on that radio station and will blast those waves and cover any potential white noise that might be on that station with your music, your media instead. So it's pretty amazing. All you got to do is push this CH button for channel, and then you can rotate the little knob here left and right to get to the station that you want. Once you have that station, you're good to go. Now, this front part of the device is also a button. So you can pause your media by pushing that button. You can also accept a phone call by pushing the button. And if you hold down for like 3 seconds, you can activate Siri or your other smart assistant on your phone. This device also has a USB-C and a regular USB port, so you can connect other devices onto here, like a phone charger or something else, or even a 3.5mm jack if you want to connect an aux cable or a headphone. So this is a really cool device for those people who might not have a vehicle with Bluetooth connectivity, and this will make your life a whole lot easier and get really great music in your car system versus just your small phone. But I hope you found this helpful and have a great day. Check out the link in the description or scan the QR code to see my Amazon picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.